Hello everyone, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages. Shadow Harvester back with Pokemon Unite. And the last episode was, of course, obviously, we unlocked everything that we needed to do because it was taking a while to do. So, I'm now going to reveal who we're using today, just in case someone in the matchmaking area of the team wants to be using said Pokemon. So, let's dig on into the rank match and see if we can get out of the Great Class 2. Because it's been a while, because we keep going in, we keep going out. It's like one of those like TV dramas. It's like, is he going to do this? Is he not? Oh, come on. I can't speculate. But yeah. I'm just happy to play video games. Pokemon Sword's taking a little longer than I thought it would. Okay, that's my fault as well, but because of course this is basically just a little side project just to try to see if I can unlock everything and whatnot. And much like Pokemon Go, this game might be a little a pain in the butt to try to max out the ranking stuff and the leveling up, because in Pokemon Go I'm between the line between level 35 and 36, and of course I had to go up to level 50 for that game. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm almost there, and then poof. And this game, hopefully it stays at 40. And if I ever get up to that level, I will make a special little video. So, yeah. So, let's see who we shall use. I think they're all waiting for me to pick one. So I'm going Snorlax for this episode. You just gotta go big. Supersize me. It's like a Happy Meal. Okay, they don't have super. Okay, I would have been a really happy kid if they did that. When I was younger, so Snorlax, Lucario, Slowbro, Venusaur, Absol for Snorlax, Charizard, Pikachu, Talonflame, and Eldegoss. So let's get on into this. New Pokemon, new experiences, and a whole lot of fun. It's like the fair, the zoo, or the circus. No, and it's funny enough, a while ago, me and my sister and her boyfriend decided to go to the zoo for some reason. And yeah, we had some fun, saw some nice animals. Wanted to see what the place looked like from my childhood, back in the day of my mom taking us. And for some reason we decided to ride the carousel, and yeah, it was just me and my sister on it for some reason. And I ended up, basically, we're both tall, and we're at the point where we should not be riding a carousel, even though that people put their kids on it all the time with them. And basically I couldn't get on the carousel right because I have no upper body strength whatsoever. and she couldn't get off. So yeah, basically she took pictures of me, and I took a picture of her on my phone and her phone, so yeah. And for some reason I keep resting. I keep pushing the resting button. So, I'm sorry if this is taking a little longer than it should. I should not... Actually, what am I doing? That's what I get for talking about the zoo. What am I doing? Okay, I'm pushing the wrong buttons apparently. So, this is gonna be a bad episode, I can tell that already. Okay, stop resting me. Oh my gosh. I need to stop resting. At least... There we go. Finally got around to... Actually, I'm gonna help my fellow team out. If I can just get over there. Why did I do that? So... let's go heavy slam. Part of me wants to get rid of rest because I keep hitting that button. There I go again. I gotta stop hitting the one closest to the TV. I gotta start hitting the one that's closer to me, basically. So, yep. I hope everyone's having an awesome day. My days are like really weird. One day I'm fine, the other day it's just like, oh, I try too hard and I wanna have a decent day, basically. Because sometimes I have my ideas and stuff that I want to do planned out beforehand. Sometimes I just wait till the last second. But everything. I'll let you go, Talonflame. Let's go block. Alright, that's so much better than falling asleep on your battle. So, where should I go? I think Venusaur and Charmeleon are over here, so... So thank you, Venusaur, for allowing me to assist you by apparently not assisting you. Why did I do that? And of course, blocking and sleeping are my downfall. So, let's... Why did I do that? I need to learn. I need to learn to use my controls right. Or I just have to keep hitting this same button over and over again. Geez, all my friends here want to be alone. They get mad when they get mad when I help them, but then they don't want to help me. Well, except for Venusaur, who did help me make it to so I could make a point over Charmeleon. Oh hey, you evolved. And of course I block. I'm not really unstoppable, I'm just really very predictable, I should say. Alright, nice. Why did I do that? Why not? Let's just use our Unite move. Okay. So apparently Snorlax might not be my cup of tea. Why did I use block on the wrong way? Jeez, don't pull a muscle.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Time's up.
Alright. Victory. So yes, we're gonna at least get to another another class, I believe. Okay, maybe not. I guess we have to do another battle to win, and then we move on to the next class. Okay, I should know this. And I have a feeling there's a grade class 3. So, come on. At least we got that point. That's all that matters to me. And then, once I somewhat get to the veteran class, use me as much as you want as a punching bag. I just gotta find that one Pokemon that I'm somewhat decent with, and I've had my moments with every Pokemon really. Venusaur and Blastoise seem to be the ones so far that I've been able to work with. Charizard a bit. We'll see about when I try playing as every other Pokemon. Jeez, you guys really like to make me wait. I'm a very patient person in some places, but when it comes to video games, okay, that's not true. There's some video games that I'm very patient in. Except the ones where they have really a lot of story, basically. I don't hate long stories. It's just like if I'm 30 minutes into a gameplay and most of it, at least like 10 minutes of it was talking, then yeah. So no, the last time I chose a Pokemon, apparently I didn't get a long time to prepare. Oh geez, you guys don't give me time, do you? Let's use Yawn. Okay, Snorlax, Eldegoss, Gengar, Absol, Charizard versus Machamp, Eldegoss, Snorlax, Venusaur, and Talonflame. So, let's see how this goes. And it seems Eldegoss and Snorlax are definitely the liked Pokemon lately. Okay. And I'm so sorry about my button mashing, because apparently that does pick up into the microphone. I might have to, I need to experiment basically with microphone a bit. I gotta find a place to put it. I might have to invest in like a gaming headset, maybe, because the headset I have, while it's awesome, it doesn't, basically, it's more for like music and voice stuff compared to well, really, this microphone's more of the voice stuff, but also my computer, I need to find the decent ports and stuff for my for a microphone, because I think most of the computer is USB. So yeah, there's that. Not to mention what is it? Basically the computer, all the back stuff. I probably can't reach from where I'm sitting, so there's a chance, even with the headphones on, it's not going to be able to work unless I move the computer around. Okay, either they're okay. You know what? Let's head down. So thank you. Was it? Let's use Yawn. So I'm guessing I'm basically the bully. It's like and they're gonna heal themselves up, so let's help our team. At least Snorlax found its place. And I think the Snorlax up there and the Ivysaur are doing some work while we're down here. You know what, I'm gonna go... I don't know if these two can... I don't know if these guys can defend themselves, but Absol needs some help. So... I'm gonna try... Alright. Alright, that I swear. Apparently sometimes the punching takes a little while with Snorlax compared to the others. But let's go adventure down here. Talonflame spotted me. I was wondering where you went. You took longer to get down there than it. Of course, you're gonna... That's... Oh, Snorlax we can't, of course. Because Snorlax is the close encounter kind, not the far away kind. Well... So... Why did I go all the way over there just to... At least we're in the lead. Because that always makes these episodes so much better. Because sometimes if it's like 2 straight loses in a row in one video is like eh. But if it's like a win and a loss, then alright. But with Great Class lately, it's been win, lose, lose, win, lose, win, stuff like that. Where am I going? And you know what? Let's take our little friend out here. So, I probably should have put speed on Snorlax, but last time I put speed on a Pokemon, my attacks didn't do that much work as of late, so... Okay, apparently I can put myself to sleep and attack, so if I push the right buttons, I think, unless that's like some weird like flaw that I keep doing, but okay, yep, I can kind of put myself to sleep. Okay, that makes up for the first game then, and I almost got...
Five, four, three, two, one. Time's up.
But okay, we still won.
You win.
That would have been all my fault if I let Venusaur Solar Beam me before I could bonus point stuff. Alright. Snorlax, you did well for your first match. Okay, there's a Great Class 3, but I don't think I can go back down. So, let's do the rewards. Yes, the rewards. Exchange. Don't mind if I do. Give me the socks. Just all I wanted, socks. And if anybody out there wears red socks, well, you're awesome. I don't wear red socks myself, but still, if they were green or blue socks, I would have asked for the green or blue people socks, so let's dive into the missions, I believe. So, man, for some reason it says stuff with the Pokemon, but I guess it just shows like the new Pokemon that we have, so. Now, where is good old Snorlax at? We gotta favorite you. And let's just go through and grab that so that can turn off. Yep, anyway, I'm gonna end it here. So, I'm Shadow Harvester. Thanks for watching me play Pokemon Unite. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.